today is the 14th of April. This is my first trade that I am putting online for everybody to see. Essentially, I am currently starting a video journal as a way to keep myself accountable in front of all of y'all. Uh, and like I said, essentially right now my main goal is trying to stick to one trade per day, and have to follow all my rules and make sure everything is the way it's supposed to. So yeah, let's see how it goes, right? Okay. First things we see out here is we're currently trading the YM contracts with futures. That is the equivalent to a US 30. Um, Simple breakdown for me, as you can see here on the weekly, we have been on a downtrend for a bit, but as of right now, we're just this thing starts making some more highs for the past 3 weeks. So we may already be seeing that change of character. Um, on the daily, we see here that we have made some, we had here a lower low, and then we passed through this, and we passed above this here, lower high. So that makes me believe that the market is currently back on its uptrend. A structure shift of the market from down to up. I've marked out a couple of areas over here for my support and resistances, plus your supply and demand areas. So right now we're creating this area right here, which is a previous level of supply. It seems to be turning into a level of demand. The first 15 minutes have just passed. I'm currently waiting to see what this year's second candle is going to do. Um, right now, going into it, I'm having this area right here. To me, this looks like a good area for supply, considering for demand, considering what price has done in this area. And I'm waiting for a retracement to hopefully hit that area right there. And after that, get on a lower time frame, probably 1 minute, and target these highs up here. I'll probably take a partial up here and leave a runner, see what it does for me. Um, or I may just close the whole thing at this here 31. It's pretty quick, so I'm not trying to stay out here for much longer than what I need to. Okay, looking at two different time frames at the same time, right here the 5 minute. Just waiting for something that gives me an overwhelming sense of, okay, we're going up now from here on forward. Maybe a bullish engulfing. Real quick, going back to the 4 hour. Price was trading in this area for well over 8 hours, 12 hours, pretty much. And it recently, on the previous hour, has broken above it. Part of me wants to wait for price to close above this range that it's been on to kind of solidify my belief that we're looking at buys, and wait for a retracement from there. Currently at 9:52. This was the 1 hour. This was the first 15 minutes right here. So I'm marking down for my own sake. Oh, mouse is like crazy. A bit wider. I mean, so yeah, maybe once it makes it into this area, we'll see some upwards momentum. And if not, then we'll just continue to wait. Considering the fact that we've been making all these highs, I can definitely see it being the case that we'll continue to make these highs. Um, yeah, right. Here we have a bullish engulfing, the 1 minute. So that may be our entry, I don't know. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna enter yet because it is 5 minutes to 10. Definitely want to see the higher time frame close bullish because we got a couple of different things happening here. We're currently bullish at the daily, the 4 hours bullish, the 1 hour is bullish. Everything seems bullish at the until the 15 minute, but the higher time frames 1, 4, 30. This is all bullish. So yeah, I'm definitely looking to buy off of these areas right here. We hope I didn't miss my entry just now. We gotta wait. In the meantime, I wanna put on some music.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we're on the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it.
Okay, so now here what we're seeing is that price came and it took that lower high in the 1 minute time frame and then it gave me a bullish engulfing. That is an area that I did want to see break and get a reaction out of. I would have much rather it be a bit lower, um, which it did get a little lower a little later. But this is pretty much the area where I entered my trade after that bullish engulfing candle. For this trade and majority of my trades, I would be aiming for a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio and perhaps even just the very tops because those are prices that we've recently seen. And so that's pretty much what I did. Here's the result of my trade for this one.